Good morning, dear students. This is Maninder Kaur, your science teacher. Today in this class, we will start our next chapter, that is transportation. My dear students, we live in a vast world. Even in our country, there are 29 different states to travel. We often travel from one part of the world to the another part, from one country to another, or from one state of our country to another for some reasons, like from our homes to our workplace, to meet our friends and relatives, and to go on holiday trips, to go to the market, bank, hospital, railway station, airport, theater, etc. And then to migrate means to move from one country to another. Now, about the invention of a wheel. Students, you see many red, green, yellow, and orange buses running on roads. Even almost all the vehicles we travel in move on wheels. It's really surprising that how and from where it came. Dear students, according to historians, the wheel was invented by humans in the New Stone Age. Even that time, rubber and iron was not invented. So at first, wooden wheels were made. This idea came when when the people of New Stone Age saw a stone rolling down a mountain slope for the first time. In the beginning, the people of Stone Age started using the logs of woods placed beneath heavy objects to make them move easily. Then they started loading heavy objects on a sledge to drag the things from one place to another, and slowly the sledge took the form of a cart. Now it became easy for them to move from one place to another. Gradually, bullock carts and tongas came into existence, then rickshaws and bicycles were discovered. Afterwards, different means of transport. Students, there are main three different type of transport, like land transport, water transport, and air transport. First of all, land transport. It includes the vehicles that move on land: cycles, rickshaws, tongas, bullock carts, scooters, motorcycles, buses, trains, trams, vans, and trucks are the common means of land transport. Trains and trams move on special tracks called rails. Trains are the most popular and the cheapest means of transport. Then number two, the water transport. Students, these are the vehicles that move on water. Generally, steamer, jets, boats, ships, and cruise are the common vehicles used for water transport. Students, a jet is a medium-sized boat used for racing, and a cruise is a boat used for a travel in holiday for the sake of pleasure. Then the third type is air transport. Students, these are the most advanced means of transport. Airplanes, gliders, helicopters, and rockets are the most common means of air transport. Generally, a rocket is used for space flight and to explore the space. It moves by the burning of the fuel inside it. And a glider is a means of air transport that fly without an engine. Well, students, this was all about today's concept. Watch this video carefully and try to solve your worksheet. Thank you. Make your day a good day. Have a good day and make your day a good day.